Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making chicken fajitas. You will need 2 chicken breasts, 1/2 onion, 1 red bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1/2 cup of canola oil, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. If you're going to be using a fajita pan for plating, place it in a 500-degree oven 30 minutes before serving. In a large bowl, add your lemon juice and 4 tablespoons of canola oil. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, your black pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. Now add the chili powder, cumin, onion powder, and oregano, then mix until well combined. Now place your chicken in a bowl and coat well with your marinade. Now transfer the chicken to the refrigerator and allow it to sit for at least 2 hours. Using high heat, bring your pan to temperature, then add 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Now cook your chicken for 5 to 7 minutes or until it's fully done. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Then hit subscribe to join the Soul Food Cooking family. It costs you nothing but will tremendously help keep the videos coming. After your chicken is done, remove it from the pan and set it aside until later. Add another 2 tablespoons of oil to your pan. Now saute your vegetables. Season with the remaining 1 teaspoon of salt, then saute until they are just tender. Return the chicken to the pan, mix well, and allow it to cook for an additional 2 minutes. Now remove your serving pan from the oven and plate your fajitas. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
To